Hi everybody, today I'm gonna make another video of my battle jacket. So here we go. First I have the patches on the back that I'm gonna put. It's Black Sabbath Volume 4, my favorite Black Sabbath album, and Dio Holy Diver. And this is pretty much how the back will look like. Maybe some circle patches here, I don't know. And to the front, this is how the front looks like so far. So I will put first this Will Red Metallica and Justice for All, because the text is green. I don't know if you can see that. There's some other green stuff, and the money is also green. I don't know if that should be like that, but anyways, Metallica Kill 'Em All, my favorite Metallica album, I think. Mötley Crüe, Too Fast for Love, and Guns N' Roses. So I don't know if I should put another 2 patches here. Maybe something like this. No. But yeah. And these patches I have sewed on Overkill and Anthrax. So this is almost done. I think I need about 4 more patches. I put here something like that. And the circles on the back. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And I think I'll make another battle jacket, like a more dark blue color, and that I will make like really filled up with many patches. But I can't decide which back patch I should buy. It's like Judas Priest, Screaming for Vengeance, Motorhead, England, or Metallica, Kill 'Em All. But yeah, can't decide. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.